It started like any other flight, calm, routine, and completely under control. The passengers were relaxed, some looking out the windows at the glowing city lights below, others already preparing for landing. Outside, light rain gently fell onto the runway, creating a reflective surface that shimmered under the airport lights. Visibility wasn't perfect, but it was still within safe limits. For the pilots, this was nothing unusual, just another landing after a long journey. At exactly 22:47 local time, the aircraft received clearance to land. The runway ahead appeared clear. Everything was proceeding according to plan. But something was wrong. On that same runway, a ground vehicle had not cleared the area. ATC, calm but firm. Vehicle 3, confirm runway vacated immediately. Silence. No response. Inside the cockpit, the pilots continued their approach. Altitude decreasing. Speed stable. Alignment perfect. Everything looked normal.